Good morning. We are at the dump on a rain day. Just dumping some debris here. Leaves technically from our final leaf cleanup. So we're just gonna take this day off, dump this little debris we have here. It's about 4 yards of leaves. We've been busy through the beginning of April, started the middle of March. We're doing cleanups, getting all the properties ready for the leaves, cleaned up, so we can start the mowing season. We're at Unidig here in Clinton Township on Quinn Road in Gratiot. Some major leaf piles there. I believe they compost all this stuff down and then resow it as good organic compost soil. Well, here we go. Using a 5x10 Diamond C hydraulic dump trailer. It's got a standard probably 2-foot sides with a additional 2-foot boards added. Holds I'd say probably 6 yards of debris, you know, at a time. All right. Yeah, see? About 4 yards there of debris. And she looks all clean. So we'll go ahead and get this down for the day. And then we'll be ready for mowing. You guys have a good day.